How to connect Voltas AC Remote to phone or set up Voltas AC Remote into your mobile device. So first things first, if you would like to do this step or method, ensure that the Voltas make and model that you're using has a special feature called Wi-Fi, or it has to be Wi-Fi supported. However, if not, then you wouldn't be able to do this. So if you turn on your Voltas AC Remote, it will automatically turn on the Wi-Fi itself as well. Now on your mobile device, just simply run your Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your phone. And then the application that you need to download is gonna be Voltas Smart AC app. This one right here. So this is the application that you need to download so that you could actually connect your Volta's Easy Remote to your mobile device. It's very easy to set up. All you have to do is just to open up the application. It will automatically detect that your Volta's Easy Wi-Fi configuration is turned on. And that's it. That's basically how you can connect Volta's Easy Remote to phone or set up and use Volta's Easy Remote to phone.